How to fix volume changes by itself on iPhone after iOS 17. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Let's get right into the tutorial. In order to fix volume changes by itself on iPhone after iOS 17, the first and foremost thing that you can do is open your control center and disable Bluetooth, as many times this issue might occur when a third-party device is connected to your device. Next step is to try to restart your device, as restarting the device fixes majority of issues on your device. Now, launch the settings application and make a few changes here. Firstly, tap on Face ID and passcode and enter your device's passcode in here. And now go ahead and toggle off the button for attention-aware features. Next, tap on Sounds and Haptics and then on Headphone Safety. Make sure the toggle button for Reduce Loud Audio is toggled off. See if the issue is fixed or not. If not, try to reset all settings. In order to reset all settings, in Settings itself, tap on General and scroll down and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone, then on Reset and then on Reset All Settings. Enter your passcode and reset all settings. Doing this will reset all settings. Nevertheless, none of your data or media will be deleted. Your iPhone will take an auto restart now and your issue should have been fixed by now. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.